Okay, chef, so this is the finished product of my quick.
Oh, wait. Just put your hand on top.
All right. Hey chefs, welcome back to Auntie Nina's kitchen. Today we're gonna be cooking a Jamaican classic. It's a quick and easy Jamaican meal. I'm gonna be cooking some tin mackerel. Some people call it flash out, some people call it dirty girl, but we're gonna be doing tin mackerel today with some white rice, some fried plantain, and a glass of lemonade. Okay guys, so walk with me into the kitchen. Before I get into the kitchen, start washing my rice, I have to come back and say thank you for all the love on all my videos. Continue to subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. And thank you guys, and I do appreciate you all. First thing I'm going to be doing is to wash my rice. Then I'm going to come back and prepare my seasoning to fry up my tin mackerel and then my plantain. So just wait for me. This is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using some green onions, bell pepper, a whole onion, and a quarter of the purple onion. I'm using 4 pegs of garlic, and I'm using Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using like a whole Scotch bonnet pepper, but I'm like using half of each color so I can get the nice combination. And I'm also going to be using some Maggi all-purpose, some black pepper, and a tablespoon of vinegar. People like to eat their tin mackerel with a dumpling. That's white flour dumpling. I like it with white flour dumpling, but I also like it with the white rice. So today we're doing white rice. I like it with a little bit of sweet to it as well, so that's why I'm doing the plantain. And some people like it with a lot of seasoning, some people don't. But it's optional for you to use the amount of seasoning you want. I am using a whole onion, 3 roots of scallion, 1.5 bell pepper, and 4 pegs of garlic. But it's up to you guys if you want to use less. Opening my mackerel, I'm gonna pour it in a container before I put it in the pot because I like to open them. Okay chefs, so when I said I'm gonna open I like to open the mackerel or the slices of the mackerel. I normally take out it's called the bone. It's soft. Some people, you don't have to, but I like to take it out. So that's what I do before I put it in the pot. Okay, chefs, I'm pouring in some oil. I'm using probably about 3 tablespoons of oil. It's preheating right now. Put my seasoning in to start stir frying them. I'm adding them a little by little. You might think this is a lot of seasoning, chefs, but I let it cook for a little bit. And then I add my mackerel. While it's cooking, I do add my Maggi seasoning, chef. So I saute my seasoning for about 3 minutes. It's looking really nice. And now I'm going to add my mackerel. And let it cook for another 3 minutes. I'm also going to add some black pepper and a small amount of vinegar. I open my mackerel tail and put them in like 3 pieces or 2 pieces, depends on the size, because sometimes they come a little bit more big and sometimes they come small. I'm adding some black pepper. Just a small amount of black pepper, maybe a half a teaspoon. And then I'm adding a small amount of vinegar. I'm using the cork from the bottle to pour it in. So I'm using, this is a small cork, so I'm using 2. The vinegar helps to cut out some of the rawness because it's fish, so you know it's gonna have a little bit of raw scent to it. So the vinegar helps that a lot. So guys, this is the finished product. I'm gonna plate with some white rice, some fried plantain, and some salad, tomato and lettuce, and a glass of lemonade. Okay, chef, so this is the finished product of my quick and easy Jamaican classic meal. The mackerel is very healthy. It has a lot of omega-3 in it. We have a little bit of white rice, some fried plantain, tomato and lettuce, and a glass of homemade lemonade. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all the love. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm coming back with something exciting and delicious on my next video. So see you on another video.